Ever found yourself wanting to make a quick online purchase or send some digital cash, only to realize your Beam wallet is a little light? You're not alone. Funding your digital wallet should be a breeze, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Think of your Beam wallet as your go-to digital piggy bank, convenient, secure, and ready for action. But just like a physical wallet, it needs funds to be useful. So, how do you actually put money into it? Let's dive into the most common and effective ways to top up your Beam wallet, making sure you're always ready for your next digital transaction. One of the most straightforward methods is linking your bank account. Most Beam wallet providers allow you to securely connect your existing bank account. This usually involves a simple verification process to ensure your identity and the ownership of the account. Once linked, you can typically initiate transfers directly from your bank to your Beam wallet. This method is often reliable for larger amounts and recurring top-ups. Another popular option is using your debit or credit card. Similar to linking your bank account, you can usually add your card details within the Beam Wallet app. This offers a quick and convenient way to add funds, especially for smaller amounts or when you need to top up urgently. Keep in mind that some providers might have limits on card transactions or may charge a small fee, so it's always good to check the terms and conditions. For those who prefer not to directly link their bank accounts or cards, prepaid cards offer a great alternative. You can purchase these cards from various retailers and then redeem their value into your Beam wallet. This method provides an added layer of privacy and helps you control your spending. Depending on your location and the Beam wallet provider, you might also have the option of funding your wallet through mobile money services. If you're already using a mobile money platform, you might be able to seamlessly transfer funds to your Beam wallet. This is a particularly convenient option in regions where mobile money is widely adopted. Increasingly, cryptocurrency options are also becoming available for funding Beam wallets. If you hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, some platforms might allow you to deposit them into your wallet, which can then be converted into the local currency within the app. This opens up a world of possibilities for those involved in the crypto space. Finally, don't forget to explore if your Beam wallet provider offers any other unique funding methods. This could include receiving funds from other Beam wallet users, participating in promotional offers, or even topping up at physical agent locations in some areas. Always check the specific features and options available within your Beam wallet app. No matter which method you choose, always prioritize security. Ensure you're using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication if available, and being cautious of any suspicious requests or links. Funding your Beam wallet should be a safe and simple process. So, whether you prefer the directness of a bank transfer, the convenience of a debit card, or the flexibility of prepaid options, there's likely a funding method that suits your needs. Explore the options within your Beam wallet app, choose the one that works best for you, and keep your digital funds flowing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.